In this video, I'll compare 5 of the most popular and competitive CHESS-sponsored online brokers for Australians in 2025, covering fees, features, and what makes each one stand out. Watch until the end to unlock a free spreadsheet that lays out all 5 brokers side by side. It presents information in a clear, organized format and includes a few extra insights I couldn't squeeze into this video. Now, I'm coming at this from the lens of a somewhat passive long-term ETF investor. So here are the key criteria I'm using to compare these brokers. Number 1, CHESS-sponsored only. I'm only looking at brokers that are CHESS-sponsored, which means shares are held in my own name, not put under a custodian. If you're not sure what that means, I have a dedicated video explaining why it's important for long-term investors. Number 2, low fees. I invest small amount regularly using dollar cost averaging. If you're new to this concept, essentially it means investing in smaller amounts at regular intervals no matter the share price. Zero to low brokerage is a top priority for me, which is why brokers from the big 4 banks aren't included in this review. Their pricing is simply too high for the kind of regular, smaller trades I make. Number 3, automation is a bonus. I don't mind placing trades manually, but I do appreciate features like automated investing. It removes the emotion from investing and makes it easier to stay on track with the plan. Number 4, simplicity over complexity. I use a broker for one simple purpose: to buy small and often, hold for the long term, and eventually sell down the track. Diversification is obviously important, and I'm getting global exposure through ETFs that are listed on the ASX. So I'm not reviewing advanced charting tool, access to foreign exchanges, or the ability to trade US stocks. This video focuses purely on how well each broker supports investing in ASX-listed investments. With that in mind, let's start with Moomoo. While it's a relatively new player in the Australian market, it's quickly gaining attention, and for good reason. Moomoo's transition to CHESS sponsorship in April 2024 is a major tick for many Australian investors looking for transparency and security in their investments. Moomoo offers low-cost brokerage for ASX shares and ETFs, just $3 per trade for trades under $10,000. For larger trades, the fee is 0.03% of the trade value. One standout feature that most other brokers don't offer is their recurring investment plan. For $9.90 per month per share or ETF, you can set up automatic buys, monthly or fortnightly, and that fee includes brokerage. It's a neat feature for anyone who wants to take a hands-off approach to investing. Plus, you can pause and cancel the plan at any time. Another feature is Moomoo's API integration with Sharesight. Once set up, all your buy and sell transactions from Moomoo flow into Sharesight automatically. While Navexa doesn't use the API, it also offers a simple way to import your Moomoo trades. If you use Sharesight or Navexa to track your investment, this integration removes another layer of friction, making your investing experience even smoother. If you are a new investor, you will get a generous welcome bonus. That includes $0 brokerage for 30 days, up to 12 free stocks when you meet the deposit and balance requirements, and bonuses of up to $2,000 in stock cash coupons and the equivalent of a free iPhone 16 Pro in gift card value when you transfer stocks in from another brokerage. If you want to try out Moomoo, sign up with the link in the description below. CMC Invest. CMC Invest isn't the cheapest broker if you're only looking at their standard fee. $11 or 0.1% per trade, whichever is greater. But that can be surprisingly cost-effective for long-term investors buying in small parcels, such as those using a dollar cost averaging strategy. It charges $0 brokerage on ASX buy orders of $1,000 or less, limited to the first buy per security per day. What does this mean in practice? On any given day, you could buy $999 of ETF 123 for free, buy $999 of ETF 234 for free, buy $999 of ETF 345 also free. That's nearly 3,000 invested with zero brokerage in a single day across 3 ETFs. Even if you want to invest more, say $1,900 into just one ETF, you can break it up. Buy $950 today and buy another $950 tomorrow, still free. And let's be honest, most people doing regular investing probably have less than $5,000 per month split across 3 to 5 ETFs or stocks. With a bit of planning, you can structure all those buys to fall under CMC's $0 brokerage rule. Just be mindful that when you sell, you're still subject to the standard brokerage fee being $11 or 0.1% of the trade value, whichever is greater. If you are the kind of investor who can take advantage of the $0 brokerage offer and want to invest with a long-standing, trusted name in Australian market, CMC Invest is hard to look past. Stake. Stake is another favorite among investors. Personally, I really enjoy Stake's clean, clutter-free interface on web and mobile. Overall, it does exactly what I need in a simple, elegant, and well-executed way. Stake is also one of the most competitive in brokerage fees. It charges $3 per trade for ASX trades up to 30,000 and just 0.01% on any trade size above that. Since most retail investors aren't trading more than $30,000 in a single transaction, it's essentially a $3 flat fee for the vast majority of trades. What's better, it's actually surprisingly easy to get the brokerage down to zero. Right now, you can get 12 months of $0 brokerage on Stake by transferring at least $1,000 worth of existing ASX shares to your Stake account. Alternatively, you can unlock brokerage discounts by referring friends. If you refer 3 friends, you could effectively make your first 10 trades each month free. Plus, you get $10 trading credit when you sign up and fund Stake Australia by depositing at least $50. Stake used to offer a recurring investment feature, but I searched high and low and found all references to it have been removed. So as it stands, Stakes no longer offers a recurring investment option. But don't worry, if auto investing is what you are after, our next broker specializes in it. Pearler. First off, Pearler charges a flat $6.50 brokerage fee per trade, whether you are buying or selling, and regardless of the trade size. You can reduce it to $5.50 per trade by pre-purchasing a bundle of trades, which gives you a 15% discount. Personally, I find Pearler's flat fee pricing model refreshingly simple compared to the more common tiered brokerage model. But the real standout feature of Pearler is its auto invest feature. You can set up a regular investing plan, say investing $3,000 each month across your chosen ETFs in a specific target allocation. Pearler then automatically places the trades for you exactly as planned. There is no subscription fee or plan fee, you just pay the normal brokerage fee. This feature is a major convenience for anyone using a dollar cost averaging strategy. It helps investors stay consistent without needing to place trades manually each time. If you like to try Pearler for yourself, use my code to get a $20 cash bonus when you sign up. Pearler makes it easy by offering free transfers in and out of your ASX listed holdings. So whether you are moving your portfolio in or out of Pearler, there is no cost if you change your mind. Webull. Last but not least, Webull offers zero brokerage on both US and Australian ETFs, whether you are buying or selling, and no matter the trade size. If you're not actively picking stocks and prefer to invest through ETFs, from a pricing point of view, this is about as good as it gets. Even better, this isn't a promotional offer, it's their standard pricing model. That said, for individual shares, standard brokerage applies, $4.90 for trade size of below $16,333. Any size above that, 0.03% of the trade value applies. Just bear in mind that all brokers may update their fee schedule at any time without notice, so it's always a good idea to double check the latest information. And like Pearler, Webull doesn't charge any fees to transfer shares or ETFs in or out, so there is really no reason not to give it a try. A brokerage account is a bit like pizza. Everyone has their favorite. Each of these 5 brokers has its own unique strengths, so why not try a few and see which one suits your style? Those generous sign-up bonuses are essentially free money, and having multiple accounts is a smart way to take advantage of each platform's strengths. All of them are CHESS sponsored, which means your investments are held securely in your own name. So regardless of each broker's origin or history, the level of protection for ASX holdings is the same. And if you made it this far, thank you. The password to unlock the free spreadsheet is bonus, and you can find the download link in the description box down below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in another one.